Hey, do you want to become a good person, or do you want to become a successful person? Do you want to become a good teacher, a good father, good mother, good kid, or a good student? Do you want to get good marks in your studies? Do you want to enhance your skills, or do you want to boost up your knowledge? Do you want to get success in your life? Do you want to get out from depression, or do you want to release your anger? Do you want to get good job, or do you want to expand your running business? It's not a big deal now. Just open your YouTube and search AMEER HAMZA Motivation. Subscribe our YouTube channel. There I spread my positivity. There I share my ideas, my information, my knowledge. That whatever I have learned from my past experiences or from my teachers with all of you people on free of cost. Just subscribe my YouTube channel, and I assure you, it would be very helpful for you in your life. Stay blessed, stay inspired.